Ugh, I hate bio.
It's not that bad.
Yes, it is.
What exactly are you struggling with?
Well, the functions of photosynthesis and cellular respiration, I have zero clue what the equations of those two are as well. What even are the two stages of photosynthesis, or even the three stages of cellular respiration?
Michaela.
I know!
Fine. I'll help you. You owe me though.
Want fries?
Yes. Okay, how about we start with what photosynthesis and cellular respiration even do? Photosynthesis is the process by which plants get their energy from the sun, and they make the energy themselves, making them autotrophs. Cellular respiration, on the contrary, can't make their own energy. Energy is gained from glucose and oxygen, produced by plants.
Oh, haha, well...
You had zero clue what any of that originally was, huh?
No, not at all.
Girl, you need to pay attention more. Anyways, the equation for these processes are actually the exact same, just one is backwards. Photosynthesis is 6 CO2, carbon dioxide, plus 6 H2O, water, which turns into C6H12O6, glucose, plus 6 O2, oxygen. Cellular respiration is in reverse, however. First comes glucose, C6H12O6, plus 6O2, oxygen, which turns into 6 CO2, carbon dioxide, H2O, water, and energy, which is ATP.
I don't see how you could possibly remember that.
I normally just memorize one, then remember that the other is only in reverse. It's pretty cool, actually.
Allie, you're the only person I know who would allow those words to exit your mouth.
I'm literally helping you not fail our test. Be grateful.
You're right. Keep going.
The two stages of photosynthesis, light-dependent and light-independent reactions. Let's start with light-dependent reactions. First off, it happens in the thylakoid membranes. These are the little disc-like membranes found in the stroma. A stack is called a grana. When light hits this, it splits into protons, electrons, and oxygen. The light energy from this is stored as chemical energy, aka ATP and NADPH. Light-independent reactions, also known as the Calvin cycle, happen in the stroma rather than the thylakoid. Light energy is taken through pores and uses ATP and NADPH for carbon fixation.
Glad you're teaching me this because I would not have gotten any of this.
Then I'm glad, but we aren't necessarily done yet.
Seriously?
Seriously. Anyways, let's get into the three stages of cellular respiration: glycolysis, Krebs cycle, and electron transport chain. Glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm of cells. There are also two processes that come with this: anaerobic and aerobic respiration. The difference between them: anaerobic is used when oxygen isn't available. Aerobic is used when oxygen is involved.
Quick question. What does each look like? As in, where each process takes place?
Sure thing. This is a chloroplast, where photosynthesis takes place, and this is the mitochondria, where cellular respiration takes place.
Oh, okay. So you said that plants were autotrophs, right? Because they do photosynthesis, so they're just flowers, trees, and so on?
Yup, precisely. Organisms like us and animals go through cellular respiration, but that doesn't mean each process is necessarily separate from each other. They depend on one another. How do you think we get our energy?
Glucose and oxygen?
Which comes from plants. It's a product of photosynthesis. But don't think plants don't depend on cellular respiration either. We give off carbon dioxide and water, which plants need. So in the end, it's just a never-ending process.
Wow, I never thought I would actually be able to understand this. It's actually not as hard as I thought it would be.
For real. Now, let's go get me some fries. School's over.